Alan, you've still not commented, but I'm either starting to think that you're dead, or that you're just not watching anymore. Which either way, is very disappointing for me. Hello there everybody, it's me, your old mate Michael, and here I am with another very special little video for you. Because we got some more Pokemon cards to open. Very nice indeed. Now why am I making this video, you might ask? Well, it's in celebration of the release of a new game, Pokemon Legends Arceus. Very nice. I've been playing it this weekend and I'm very impressed indeed. So let's get cracking with what you're all here for. We got 5 packs of Pokemon cards. Very nice. You see we've got our old mate Galarian Moltres, where I got my nice shiny little Snorlax, so hopefully we get some nice luck with that. We've got Horse. We've got our old mate Charizard, Genesect, and our old mate Doggo. So shall we start with our old mate Doggo? Here we go. The old 4 cards magic to it. Let's get cracking. Dark, very nice. Quick Ball, Sharpedo, very nice. Heliolisk. Oh, Will Toxel, very cute indeed. Staryu, very nice, I like Staryu. Moau, Makuhita, Little Monkey. A shiny Azumarill, very nice, the evolution of Mallow. Oh, very nice. We got a Chandelure VMAX. That's a very pretty card. Very pretty indeed. So next, shall we do our old mate, this one. Let's see what we're getting here. Nice little crinkle for you there, Daniel. Water. Steady. Dynatwi Hill. Spiral Energy. Shuppet. Very nice. Squavette. Spheal. Look how happy that little fellow looks. Very nice. Swirlix. Galarian Yamask. Oh, very nice. A shiny Diglett. Very nice indeed. That reminds me of my old mate Carol. Yeah, and the videos he used to send us. And a non-shiny Sarina. Very disappointing. Speaking of my old mate Callum, I'm actually going to go see him tonight. Me and Callum and our old mate Daniel, we're off to go play a little bit of bowling. And we're also going to have a nice little meal. And we were looking forward to it. It's been a while since I saw Callum. I mean, obviously I live with Dan, but it's been a while since I see him because he goes out on a weekend and I don't see him all weekend. But well, there you go. That's life. So shall we do our old mate Charizard? I'm looking forward to this. I like our little pack. Very nice. Old 4 card magic. Steel. Very nice. Ball guy. Huh. Funny little fella. Luxio. Eldegoss. Knockoff Squirtle. Cuffant. Cute little elephant fella. Oh, very nice. A horsey. Yeah, that's one of Dan's favourite Pokemon. Cacnea, a little cactus fella. Morpeko, little knockoff Pikachu. And in the background, we've got our old mate Callum's favourite Pokemon, Snubbull. A shiny Arrokuda. And a non-shiny Yanmega. Very disappointed. So we'll do our old mate, this fella now. I believe it's Genesect. Could be wrong. Feel free to correct me. And as always with the Fusion Strike, I'm hoping for our old mate Gengar. Fire. Magcargo. Charjabug. Judge. Oh, very nice. It's our old mate Totodile. One of my favourites. Buneary. Clobberpuss. He looks a bit like my old mate Dave. We've got the same eyes. Dynamo. Zorua. Shiny Meltan. That's nice. And our old mate Blackroot. Very disappointing. And we're on to our last pack now, which is our old mate Galarian Moltres from our old mate Chewing Wayne. So hopefully it's a very nice pack. We'll see. I'm sure you can't wait. Quickly pack this. Fire. Crabominable. Single Strike Squirrel Piercing. Melanie. Oh, it's a non-shiny version of the Diglett that we got. Scarbunny, cute little rabbit. Shuppet. Cubfu, like Kung Fu, but a cub. Witzel. A shiny Delibird. And a shiny Inteleon. That's not as good as the last Inteleon I got. I'm sure you agree. So there you have it. A bit of a mixed bag there. Yeah. So for my little recap, I think my favourite is this little fella. The VMAX Chandelure. Yeah, he's like a chandelier. Nice pretty little card, that. Very nice. Well, there you have it. That's my celebratory video for the release of Pokemon Legends Arceus. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you join me again soon. Might be the last one for a while before the new packs come out, which I believe is in February, so we'll see. Very nice to see you all, and thanks for joining me.